Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Absolute Technologies. Today I am going to unbox this new DJI Mavic 3 Pro. It's a drone and this is the combo box, and I will show you what is in this box, what is additional items available in this combo box with this DJI. This is a separate box purchased separately, and this is a DJI 3 Pro, Mavic 3 Pro, and let's unbox the both box one by one. First I unbox this combo and let's start the video. I unbox it. I show you what is in this box. This is the box. There we have received this bag with it, DJI original bag. It's like this. And what is in this box you can see. This is the first box, the hub. We have separate wings in the box. This is the booklet. Another wing. So this is the box, and you can put here your DJI, and there are the other things in it. So in this box, what is in this box? Let's see. Here we have two extra batteries. This is the extra battery. This is another battery. And we have this cable. And this is the travel charger. You can use it in your car. These are in this box. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 wings, and this is a charging hub. So I can open it one by one. Here you can put 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. You can charge 3 batteries with it. And this is the charging cable. This is the type C cable with it. You can put type C cable here. You can put it in charger. This one is the travel charger. You can use it in your car. It have type C also, and it has the USB cable options. There are 2 options with it. It's a very good quality. These are the wings you can use in it. So this is the parts available with this drone combo box.